What if you're already qualified as a lawyer in another country, but you're not British, you don't live in the UK, and you want to qualify as a solicitor in England and Wales? Well, in this diagram, we're going to go through the detail of that. Now, the first point is that you've got to check on the SRA's website whether the activity you want to do is a service that you can offer as a foreign lawyer or registered foreign lawyer. If not, then you'll need to consider cross-qualifying through the solicitor's qualifying examination. And that has replaced the so-called qualifying lawyers transfer scheme. Now, as a lawyer from another country, you'll not need to take the qualifying work experience. So if that was not the case, then you'd need to show 2 years of qualifying work experience, but you're exempt from that with your foreign qualification. Now, you'll still need a degree that's equivalent or at the same level as a UK undergraduate degree. So you still need a certificate of equivalency to show that. If you also want to become a solicitor, then you have to pass the SQE1 exam and SQE2 exam, or apply for an exemption. So there are certain exceptions for certain countries, but you'll need to check this. And if your country is not on the list, then you can still apply for an exemption. And I'm doing a separate video about that shortly. Now, the SQE1 and written assessments of SQE2 can be taken abroad. However, the SQE2 oral assessments can only be undertaken in England and Wales. So you need to come here to do the oral element of the SQE2 exam. And finally, you'll need to satisfy the SRA's character and suitability requirements, which include a criminal background check. So let's go through the diagram here and explain the process. So as I say, first step, you just need to check whether you can already offer the services that you want to offer as a foreign lawyer or registered foreign lawyer. But otherwise, you'll need to go through the SQE process and cross-qualify. Now, you'd need this degree, and a foreign degree is accepted if it's equivalent to a UK degree, so certificate of equivalence. You need the SQE1 exam passed, and you need to pass the SQE2 exam. As I say, all of that can be undertaken abroad except for the oral assessment element of the SQE2 exam. Now, you then need to pass character and suitability checks. You then qualify, and then you can apply for a practicing certificate. In order to actually work in the UK, in England and Wales, you'd need to have a visa to do so. Now, remember that on this diagram, I've put it in this sequence. So degree, exams, but it could be undertaken the other way around. So you could do the exams first and then get the degree. But presumably, if you've already qualified as a lawyer in your own country, then you'll already have the degree and you'll have the experience. So there's different ways of going about it, but that is the process. If you're looking at preparing for the SQE1 and SQE2 exams, we have an SQE preparation course. You can access that just on the link below, and there's some complimentary material that you can download and get for free. Be very happy to help you with preparing for the SQE exams if you're going down that route. Bye for now.